In order to make a professional fiber HDMI cable, Bridgee develops a project-oriented fiber HDMI 2.1 cable Prof H48. This is a $60,000 professional HDMI 2.1 protocol analyzer. We use it to measure the actual parameters of the cable. Test results are as scheduled. This cable performs great. It supports 8K at 60 Hz Hdcp 2.3 and other HDMI 2.1 official specification. This is an 8K TV. I'll connect it with H48 fiber optic HDMI cable. Let's look at the actual performance. Now, we set the display parameters. Seems nice, 8K at 60 Hz. These parameters indicate that the cable is highly efficient and stable transmitting 8K signal. After connecting the device, we play an 8K video. The picture is very clear. PS5 has an HDMI 2.1 interface. Let's see how is it working with PS5. You can see that the characters fly quickly in the video. Everything's in the video moving smoothly without any stuck. How's it working with home theater? We connect to projections and Blu-ray player. It displays pleasing images.